I am not going to lie. When I started creating this style, I did not have the clue of what I wanted to do. But I know that it cannot be that bad. I will not be able to do something at long run. So I grabbed the material and I said, let us start. So I started by making some plates, like 3 plates. That's what I made, and I crossed the hand at the back like this. And the material is divided on equal division, what we call 50-50. So I divided it like that. Then after I directed before, I was like, okay, what's going to be the next thing? So I pick the plate up just roughly, and I still adjusted. Okay, not that rough, but I just picked it up and I placed on the previous plate I made. Use my hand to adjust. Then I'm going to plait it down all through while I take the excess to the back to go get it secure with my pin, my office pin. So when I got to the back, I grabbed the pin and I secured it there. So I'm left with one part of the fabric. So while still doing this, I was still thinking, this part that remain at the side, what am I going to create with it? Because this day was one of those days that your body will not want to do anything, but you have to do what you have to do. So this is the other part. I just pick it up and I make the pleats like I did for the first one. But on getting to this side, I see that it cannot reach the back. I would have just taken it to the back like I did for the other part, but the fabric couldn't reach the back, so I folded it up with band. I have excess at the side. So after I folded up, I stretched the fabric out, pin it out to the previous pleat, and use my hand to just adjust to bring out a flowery shape. So I just pin up pinnables, like all areas that I feel like okay is needed to be pinned. I pinned it. Then I get this flowery shape at the front, and this turns out like this, and it's not bad actually. I like it. I was like, oh, at long run I achieved something. So guys, if you want to try it, let me know in the comment and I'll see you soon.